Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you 2 tips on how to green screen After Effects. This is very easy, so keep on watching. First, let's open After Effects, then open your project and upload your video with green screen. You can see here I already have a video with green background. After that, go to Effects and Presets over here and search for Keylight 1.2. Drag it to the video that has green screen. On your left, go to Screen Color and select this eyedrop tool. Then drag to the green part of the video, and then here, your background is now removed. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!